If you are feeling frustrated in life, if you are feeling stuck in life, if you feel that something is blocking your way, something is blocking your life, okay, you should do this recipe with salt. Yes, when nothing is working for you, do this recipe with salt. It's going to change your life. It's going to help you start progressing again. When you feel stuck, when you feel stagnated in life, this recipe with salt is something that you should make sure that you do. Okay, a lot of people are complaining that they have been trying their best to, you know, progress in life. They have been trying their best to be a better person. They have been trying their best, to be financial stable, but nothing is working. Okay, they even work more than themselves. Like they struggle so hard, okay, to make it, but nothing is working. They feel stagnated. They feel stuck. They feel that there is a spirit that is blocking them from achieving their goals. If you are feeling that way, this video is something that you should patiently watch to the end, because I'm going to teach you what you can do with salt to remove whatever it is that is making you not to move forward in life. Okay, so make sure that you watch this video to the end. And if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip here in this channel. Okay, and I'm saying a very big welcome to you. All I want from you is to subscribe to this channel, give the video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification button, so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be able to see it and you learn something that is going to help your life. Okay, there are a lot of people out there that have been trying so hard in life. Like when I mean trying so hard, they have been working day and night to become somebody. Okay, but they feel stuck. Okay, anytime they work so hard to be a better person, something will come in and destroy whatever thing they have been working on. Okay, they have been trying so hard in their life. Okay, but they feel stuck and frustrated. What you need to do is to use salt to remove whatever spirit, whatever force that is behind all this problem. Because there are energies, negative energies, there are negative spirit, there are negative forces that can hinder you, that can make you to be stagnant in life, that can make you to be stuck in a place. Okay, you will not grow, you will not move ahead, you will not move forward in life. All your mates will be doing well, all the people around you will be doing well, but when it comes to you, you will not be doing well, and everything will be so bad for you. Okay, so what you need to do is to get a salt. You can use a sea salt. Okay, you can use a sea salt, you can use a cooking salt, you can use any other type of salt to do this recipe. But in this video, we are going to be using sea salt. Okay, yes, because it's very powerful. Okay, what you need to do is to get a sea salt. Okay, when you get a sea salt, get a bowl of water, a little bowl of water, not too much. Get a clean water, put it inside that bowl of water. Okay, when you put it inside that bowl of water, remove your slippers, remove anything artificial that you are putting on in your body. Okay, if you're wearing necklace, if you're wearing chain or bangle, remove them, be unnatural. Okay, and remove your slippers if you are wearing any. Stand on your foot and make a prayer, make a request over your life. Okay, that any power, any forces, any spirit, any thing that is responsible of making you to be stagnant, that is making you to be stuck, that is blocking your way, that is making you to be frustrated in life, that as you're about to do this recipe with salt and water, that you're going to experience it no more. Okay, after making that prayer, get that salt that you have made, that salt that you have, sorry, get that salt, that sea salt that you have, put it inside that bowl of water, turn it with your right hand. Okay, turn the water very well with your right hand. Use that water and wash your face first. You wash your face first, and as you're washing your face, you'll be saying your mind, your intention. Okay, you'll be praying as you're washing your face. Now, after washing your face, the next place that you should wash is your two palms. Okay, because another way that the enemy can frustrate your life is making you to be spending money. That is another way the enemy can frustrate your life. The enemy can be bringing problems to you, that whenever money enters into your hand, you spend it on problems. Okay, it can be police case, it can be another problem, it can be sickness, it can be anything. Whenever money enters into your hand, it will not stay. So when you use that water to wash your two palms, it will remove anything that has been planted in your palms spiritually, because sometimes it is being planted that you will not know. Okay, when you use that water to wash your hand, it will remove anything that is spiritually planted in your palm that is making you to spend money. Okay, after doing that, get that bowl of water, use it and sprinkle in your home or your offices or your place of business to remove any other negative forces that is around you, that is, in your environment. Okay, so do this recipe either in the morning, afternoon, or night. Okay, so when you do this recipe, it's going to help your life. Okay, anything that is fighting against your progress, against your success, will be removed. Sprinkle it in your environment. Okay, with prayer, sprinkle it in your environment. This spiritual recipe is something that you can do by yourself. Okay, you can do this recipe by yourself. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys in this video today. That's what I want to share with you guys in this video today. If you have any question that you want to ask regarding this teaching today, use the comment section. Okay, I'll explain it more better for you. If you have not subscribed to this channel but you like this channel, please hit that subscription button and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, a lot of people are going through so many problems in life. There are so many people that are stagnant, that the enemy have put frustration into their life. Okay, the enemy have placed them in a stagnant place that they don't move forward, they don't go back. When you do this recipe with faith, with prayer, things will turn around for you. Okay, and make sure that you share your testimony here in this channel. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys in today's video. Make sure that you are going to do this and you will never regret, practicing this recipe. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.